Welcome to MS Access 2013 tutorials. You're watching the lesson title Lab Setup. The purpose of this lesson is to get you acquainted with Access 2013 database specification and the minimum requirement to run Access 2013. As far as to familiar you with the exercise file we'll be using to demonstrate everything in the course that follows. Access 2013 database specifications. A Microsoft Access 2013 database has a size limit of 2 gigabytes, and that's 2 gigabytes minus the space needed for system objects. But you can work around this limitation by using split databases. A front-end database can provide 2000 of back-end database file, each of which could be as large as 2 gigabytes. So you are sort of limited to 2 gigabytes unless you really want to get to advance it. You have the limits of access objects. For example, the number of allowed objects for database is 32,768, which is a lot. The number of characters allowed in the object name is 64 characters. And the number of concurrent users is 255. And there is a handful of some general specification. As per specific objects, tables have a max size of 2 gigabytes, and the limits of a number of fields per table is 255. With queries, you are allowed to 32 reinforced relationship, 32 tables per query, 16 joins, and 15 nested queries. Now, all of these information can also be found on Microsoft Office in an article Access 2013 specification. It would be easy for you to go to support.office.com and go to the top of the page and type Access 2013 specification, which is bring you to the page look like this. And the article I'm referencing should be on the top of the list. System requirement for Access 2013 can be found at Microsoft.com, and here is the detail of the Microsoft Access requirement available in this article. And here is the requirement for Microsoft Access 2013. Look at these figures carefully. You can find your requirements here. Like you can see here, the total number of objects is 32768. Number of module including forms and reports that have the has module property set to true. Number of character and objects 64. Here are the few slides I have show it here, but you can go to Microsoft website and you can find a lot more of this.